today we're going to be looking at how to create continuous carousels for Instagram. We're only going to be using a single picture. So once you have the picture that you want to use, go to the crop tool and go to the aspect ratio and change it to 16:10. This is basically 2 times 5:4 ratio, which is the ratio for Instagram. And once you crop it how you want it to look, so we are cropping this for 2 pictures, not just a single one. So once you're done cropping, open this picture with the edits on Photoshop. And wait for it to open. So once it opens, go to the view tab and select a new guide layout, and here we are dividing this into 2 equal parts. So click 2 columns and a single row. Just a visual aid there. So once you have that, go to the slice tool. Now this slice select tool, the slice tool, yeah, that's the one. So click slice from guides, and go to file, export and save for web. Once it finishes loading, click save and make sure the quality is whatever you want it to be. I wanted to maintain full quality, so 100 and maximum, and save it. And save it to a destination folder wherever you want it to. I'm saving this in my Dropbox folder and naming it as carousel pic for Instagram. Very slowly. And you're done. Yeah, done. So once it finishes saving, you can go to the destination folder where you saved it, and yeah, that's about it. So you can upload this directly on Instagram and post it as like just 2 pictures next to each other, and it should be like a continuous post. Yeah, and let me know how it works out for you guys.